We all know that I love to brag about those Callaways because of everything that they do and the amazing people and company that they have created. So we, of course, once again have with us Joe Coleman, obviously with those Callaways, and you're going to tell us about a fantastic home.
I'm going to tell you about a wonderful home, absolutely. It's 5514 East Sweetwater, which is a Sunburst Farms magic zip code property.
Yay.
And oh, absolutely. Sunburst Farms is one of my favorite 85254 neighborhoods because you get over 3/4 of an acre lot. And this home actually is big. It's over 3,000 square feet. It's been completely remodeled. It's got a light and bright kitchen with hardwood cabinets. It's very open, the floor plan. And then you've got a yard that just seems to go on forever with a pool, and it's just got room for so much more. It's really just a great house.
I was going to say, everything about that house sounds amazing, but then of course we go back to my favorite with the 85254 with everything that goes along with that.
The location is just fabulous, yeah.
Yeah, I love that location. Yeah. Okay, and so obviously if someone can't get this one, because we know this one's going to go really fast, they're just going to call you and you're going to find the perfect home for them if this one can't be.
Absolutely. We've got a huge pre-market inventory right now just waiting to go up, and then we're constantly putting houses up for sale, so we're happy to help you find anything.
All right, well, like I said, they need to call you, find their home if it's not this one, and they can also for selling their home as well. So
absolutely.
Thank you so much for joining us again.
Thank you.